We'll guide you through how to draw anime eyes in Krita using the most current tools and methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your computer and start a new canvas. Set your canvas size to something comfortable, like 2000 by 2000 pixels, so you have plenty of room to work with details. Now, select the brush tool from the toolbar on the left side. Choose a soft round brush with medium size, around 20 pixels, which is great for sketching outlines. Use a light color like gray for your initial sketch. Start by drawing the basic eye shape. An elongated oval or almond shape works well for anime eyes. Make sure to leave some space at the top for the eyelid. Next, draw the upper and lower eyelids by adding two curved lines above and below the eye shape. This gives the eye a more defined structure. Once you're happy with the shape, switch to a darker color and a smaller brush size, maybe around 5 pixels, to draw the details like the iris and pupil. Place the iris a little below the center of the eye to give it that wide-eyed anime look. Add the pupil in the middle of the iris. Now, for the fun part, add highlights to the eyes. Use a pure white color and a small brush to add a couple of small circles or ovals to the top and side of the iris to give it that shiny, reflective look. You can also add a few eyelashes with quick, short strokes at the top and bottom of the eye for more expression. Once you're satisfied with the sketch, you can go over it with a darker pen tool to finalize the drawing. Finally, don't forget to add some shading to give depth. Use a soft brush with a low opacity to add subtle shadows under the eyelid and around the eye. This will make your anime eye pop with realism. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.